Hi everyone, welcome today in the additional of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, Saturday, November the 28th, 2020. We have here Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, tectonic number 1, a tectonic number 2, binary and number 1 and a binary and number 2. Total of 8 extra sudokus, but we will first solve a sudoku with 3 stars. Yes, let me position the camera. This tripod is not a good one. It's tipping over every time. Maybe the phone is too heavy. Well. I need to correct this. Maybe. How about this? Alright. Now it's tipping over again. Tipping over. Let me do this. Right. Is this better? I do not know. Let's try. Alright. So let's get started with this one. And this one will be a number 1946. Yes, 1946. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. We have here 2 plus 5 is 7, plus 2 is equal to 9, plus 3 is 12, 2 is 14, plus 2 is 16, plus 3 is 19, plus 2 is 21, plus 4 is equal to 25. Alright, 3 stars always has 25 printed digits. This is the correct one. I almost made a mistake. Alright, let me position. Alright. Need to hold down this tripod. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, this column has 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. Well, we see here another 4, so no 4 there. One place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so no row between. Only place for a 4 should be there. In this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column between. Sorry, the column next. Only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then 2 boxes left in this column. Those numbers are the 1 and the 8. 1 and the 8. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 1 goes there. And then 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Two boxes left in this row for the number 6 and 5. 6 and 5 we see here. 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And then three in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see there 3, we see here 3, so no 3s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3, should be there. Then cannot continue with the 3. And a 3. Haha. Alright. How about the number 7 in this column? 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for a 7 should be there. 5. Alright. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Cannot continue with the 7. How about the number? In this big square, we have 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in those 3 boxes. Here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, only place for a 4 should be there. I cannot continue with the 4. How about the number? In this big square, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 8. We have a 3 and an 8 in this row, so no 3 and an 8 in those 2 boxes. The 3 and the 8 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark those for you. So we have an 8 in this column, an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column to the column next. Only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column, so the column next. Only place for a 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright, 1 number left in this column for the number 1. These 2 boxes are reserved for the 4 and the 6. Let me mark them for you. Alright, 1 box left in this row for the number 6 is missing. Then 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, only place for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 5. Can't fill this yet, but I will mark them for you. So it's easier to follow. So now we have 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 2 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about those 2 numbers in this big square? 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 and the 6 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Yeah. Yeah. All right. 5, 5. So we have a 3 and a 5. No, 5 there. All right. How about the number? Hmm. We have here 4 missing numbers in this row. Those numbers are the 2, the 4, the 5, and the 6. 2, 4, 5, 6. And look, 4, 5, 6. So this box cannot be 4, 5, 6. So 1 digit left should be the 2. 4, 5, 6. Yes. So now we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the third row. So the row between, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 here, so this can be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2 and this should be an 8. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1. How about let me see. We have a pair, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 8. We have a 5 and an 8 in this column, so no 5 and an 8 in those 2 boxes. The 5 and the 8 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark those 5 and 8. That means we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So this can't be an 8 anymore. This should be a 3 and this should be an 8. 2 boxes left in this big square. Here we have the 5 and the 8. So the other 2 numbers are the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this second column for the number 1. Then we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place for a 1 should be there, 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this middle row for the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 7 are missing. Let me mark those for you. 6 and the 7. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. The other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 5 and 9. We have a 9 here. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. So this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be a 5. And this should be a 7. Now we have a 7 here. So this cannot be 7 anymore. This should be a 7. And this should be a 6. One number left in the last column. For the number 4. Then one number left in this column for the number 7. Then how about the 9 in the third column, the 9 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first column, the numbers 5 and 8. 5 and 8. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there, and the 5 goes there. Then one number left in this big square for the number 5. Two numbers left in the first row for the number 6 and 5. 6 and 5. And look, we have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this can't be 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 6, and the final number of this big square for the number 6. Finish in 60 minutes, alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you very soon in a minute with the second Sudoku, a 4 stars Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye for now.